A very good day to all of you students. So I'm taking this opportunity to explain to you how should you create the student learning portfolio, or in the short name SLP, by using the established Google website. The idea of having the student learning portfolio is to allow students to capture their reflection from a subject that they learn throughout the semester. Okay, outcome of this portfolio is, first, students will be able to create their own online learning portfolio. Second, students will be able to reflect their learning process through the portfolio. Then students will be able to reflect their attainment of the program outcome and the course outcome. And lastly, students will be able to use their SLP even during job interview. So in order to make sure a student has complete their SLP by every semester, so it's suggested to include academic advisor to monitor the students' works, okay, in completing the SLP. And also we suggest to let the second academic advisor to check the student language when they fill up the student learning portfolio, and the second advisors might come from the APP. Alright, now we can start on the step how to create your SLP by using Google website. Okay, first, of course, for those who don't have the Google account, you need to create your Google account first. And then you go to the site of Google, then you need to create a site. So after you click the create button, then you will go to the you are allowed to select a template to use. Okay, you browse the gallery for more. Then you select activity and events, and you look for a template called My Learning Portfolio version 5, which is the latest version using by our faculty. Okay, click select. Then you will see the My Learning Portfolio version 5.0 available in the selection of the template. Then you put your name there. Of course, you need to follow some standard format that we already set here. So you can put any name in front, but must follow by your student ID number. Okay, so congratulations, you have already set up your most basic SLP. Of course, a lot more information for you to fill up. Now let's have a look on the My Profile. So the template is already set, of course, with our standard program PO, course outcome, and so on. So you need to put in your information accordingly. So first, okay, you can see there is to edit the page, so you need to click there, and then you need to click as well the same button there in order to allow your academic advisor to monitor your portfolio from time to time. Then of course there the template is written in italic sentences, whereby you need to delete all of them to put in your own information. So when you create the edit page, so you go to a page which called Manage Site. So there you need to put in your academic advisor email accordingly. Alright, now you can see the sample of the My Profile. On top of the website, you can see that there is a My Program, My Courses, My Activity, and so on. So now you click on the My Program. Okay, once you click the My Program tab, so you can see the My PO, means the program objective. Alright, so basically we have 4 PO accordingly. So once you have finished your study, you are allowed to put in your PO achievement accordingly. Okay, in my program outcome, you should able to see there are total 12 program outcome set by this program: Bachelor of Engineering Honors, Civil in bracket Infrastructure EC 221. So when you further explore to my PO, for example, part 4, then you can see the subject that in part 4 has been mapped to the PO accordingly. So student is allowed to evaluate your PO achievement accordingly. So students should aware on so what is your achievement on that PO from the perspective of the student. Alright, so now have a look on the My Courses. My Courses also has been set according to each semester accordingly, such as semester 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Student is allowed to rate your course achievement from your own perspective according to the rating of 1 to 5, which started from very weak to highest rate 5, excellent. Okay, throughout the semester or throughout the program, so if you have any activities that you have been already conducted, then you are very welcome to put it into your portfolio as well. So if there is any certificate or letters of appointment, then you should attach it together with the this my activity as evidence. Then also you can bring the study moment that you have throughout the semester. Maybe something that you thought that is very important, then you can include here as well. My learning reflection is one of the elements that evaluated by outcome-based educations, whereby students should able to reflect the learning activity after the semester. So here, this tab is allow students to put in your reflections for the particular semester accordingly. Okay, no need to be very detailed, but you can just be a very simplified statement on what you have learned from that semester accordingly, such as what did you learn, what did you like most, what was difficult, what was easy, and so on. So here we include a sample for you to have a look on my learning reflection for semester 4. Industrial training. Fill up the industrial training information here, such as a company name, company address, name of the vendor, and so on. Then there's activities according to week. Then you can put in the summary here according to the activity that assigned to you by your mentor. This is for the daily activity record. Final year project. Please put in the title, your supervisor. If any co-supervisor, then you can also put in here. Then the description of the research, okay, for you to put in here. Again, you need to write some essay to describe your activities throughout the final year project number 1. So some guide is put there, so you can just answer the question, then complete the essay. Similar to FYP1, so for your FYP2 also you need to put some short description about the activity you have been conducted throughout the final year project number 2. FYP assessment is basically for you to write down the type of assessment, then the description of the assessment, the PO measure accordingly. So it's a type of the student reflection on the FYP process, that what you have learned throughout the activity. So such as the skill, like if you have conducted laboratory study, then you should able to develop a skill on how to conduct the laboratory according to the requirement. Or maybe you have conducted a survey, a questionnaire, then what should be the procedure when you conduct the survey. FYP activities for you to record down all the activities, so again it's not in very details, so just some very brief description on the activity throughout the FYP project. IDP, Integrated Design Project. You need to put in the title of the project, your group member, who supervise, which lecturer supervise your work, and some description about your project. Alright, similar to FYP as well, so IDP, you need to record down the activity that you have been gone through throughout the IDP project. IDP assessment and my resume. Okay, first of all, you need to put in your personal information accordingly, your name, your date of birth, the nationality, your sex, your work experience, and so on. You have a better idea on how to present your personality when you prepare this resume. Of course, some standard template is here. It means that some standard information might be required by the employer, so you need to fill up here. Okay, the last part is not in the SLP, but just a survey, an online survey that we are going to distribute to all of you in order to let us know. So part of the SLP which is insufficient, maybe the information is not relevant, you're welcome to put in your comments accordingly. Thank you very much for your attention to these videos. So hope you all have again sufficient information on how to prepare a good student learning portfolio. Okay, so of course there will be some reminder for you before we end the videos here. Okay, the reminder is you are responsible in updating your portfolio every semester and monitored by your academic advisor. And during your SAM 8, during the time of presenting your IDP, you need to bring along your complete portfolio. And you might be not allowed to present your IDP if your SLP is not completed. So therefore, you need to prepare it from now. And remember, SLP is representing your professionalism. So prepare it well, and thank you.